I'm shooting video here with a GoPro Hero 13, and hyperview gives me a field of view of about 12 millimeters. That's in a 35 millimeter equivalent. The GoPro has a sensor that's about the same size as a smartphone, like a Google Pixel 8a. In this shot, I'm shooting with the linear lens, and it gives me a field of view of 25 to 31 millimeters. Here you can see how much barrel distortion hyperview gets at the wall of skis. Here I'm using a selfie stick to take a shot that looks like it came from a drone. Here's an unconventional shot of the lift bridge. The hospital is very large, but the really wide angle has no problem fitting it all in.